In the name of Almighty Allah, so today we will discuss about vocabulary which I have collected from Dawn newspaper. So the first one is inane. So the synonym of inane is silly. Next one, grimy. So its synonym is dirty. Next one, holistic. Holistic stands for a whole or entire. Next one, idiosyncratic. So its synonym is eccentric or unique to individual. Next one, ignominy. So its synonym is shame. Next one, indomitable. Indomitable meaning is unshakable, unbeatable, or fearless. Next one, inaptitude, so lack of ability, lack of talent. Next one, indictment, just like in court, so its synonym is legal accusation. Next one, innocuous, so its synonym is harmless. Next one, surfeit, so its synonym is abundance, excess. Next one, tangential, so its synonym is irrelevant. Next one, temperamental, so its synonym is volatile, changeable. Next one, thwarted, so prevented. Next one, transitory, so something which lived for a short time. Next one, unyielding, so its synonym is not giving up. Next one, valor, so bravery. Next one, vex, to annoy someone. Next one, venality, so corruption. Next one, waning, declining, dwindling. Next one, wrath, so its synonym is anger. Next one, abhor, to hurt someone or hurt something. Next one, bigot, so its synonym is narrow-minded. Next one, vindication, so its synonym is something which prove to be right. Next one, vindictive, so seeking revenge. Next one, vulnerable, so its synonym is susceptible. Next one, counterfeit, so just like in medicine, fake or false. Next one, hamper, so its synonym is hinder, to stop, to obstruct. And last one, remuneration, so its synonym is payment for work done. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times. Stay tuned with us for more videos and updates. Thank you and God bless you all.